Hi, and congratulations on completing Unit 3. For many of you, you are in great shape. All you need to do is to continue your work, do the reading, watch the video lectures, do the homework, discussion board, and quizzes. Attending tutoring, complete your paper project, and take the assessments multiple times. However, for some of you, this is a make or break time. For those of you who have multiple missing assignments, missed an assessment, or not practiced them enough, and so have performed poorly, you will have to decide if you have the time and focus to put into the remainder of the course. If you are able to commit to the course, please let me know how I can help you. As always, I'm available for office hours. Just shoot me an email to set something up. You only have 2 units left, Unit 4 and Unit 5. You've got a total of 5 discussion boards, 5 quizzes, and the paper project remaining. And you have 2 assessments remaining. Unit 4 assessment will only cover materials in Unit 4. However, Unit 5 assessment is accumulative and will cover materials from the whole course. In this unit, you are going to learn about inductive arguments, which are arguments where the conclusion probably follow the premises. You'll learn how to identify them and how to assess them. Again, I urge you to get started early. Complete learning modules 9 and 10 right away and get your tutoring in so that you have time to practice the assessments multiple times. Remember, you are allowed 1 graded attempt each 24-hour period. If you make more than 1 attempt, I will grade the last attempt only, unless you tell me which attempt to grade. And don't forget that you are not penalized for earning a lower score on a subsequent attempt, as the highest score is the one that gets recorded. Again, let me know how I can help you. Good luck. Thank you.